The first part of this repair is to get yourself a packet of ramen noodles for this repair process. That is very, very critical. Babe! Cook me some ramen noodles!
How do you want it?
Not in my ass, but I want it cooked. Alright, so here's the, I guess the third part of this video where, we're not going to fucking TikTok repair this fucking bumper with ramen noodles and not super glue and hot glue like a retard. Sorry if that offends you, but I'm actually going to fix this a really, really old way that I learned a really, really long time ago. And really, this is all I really need to do to make the bumper fit pretty good. And it's got some good body lines where I can split off the paint. I kind of got a paint that kind of matches. It might not match 100%, but I'm not worried about it. I'm kind of using what I got lying around here. I got a blue there. But I'm essentially going to start stitching this up. And I'm going to start working on it. And I'll show you guys as I go here. And stay tuned, because this is, by the end of the weekend, this car is going to have the bumper back on it, the lights properly fastened up, fresh brakes, and we will be driving this. So, really, this is the reason this car totaled out. And I don't know if I put, I guess I'll put a fucking picture of it or something along the way, but we'll see. Alright, you guys see that I'm starting my stitch. So I got a wire stitch up top, a wire stitch down low to hold our overall shape of the bumper. Got one here, and I'm working on these. So I'm going to take my side cutter, or like my cutoff wheel, and just drag a little channel through there so that I can lay the wire flat like I did up there. And again, this isn't like a proper at all repair. At work we have a nice nitrogen plastic welder that I could have used, but I decided to do it this way. Why? Because why not? I haven't fixed a bumper this way in like 20 years, but like my mom always said, never forget how to sell oranges. So we're gonna keep moving along, and then we'll show you what it looks like. All right, we got our 100% certified Pakistani repair here, but I'm not wearing Jesus sandals. So as you can see, we have the bumper. I put the grill back on here just to kind of give it some shape when so what I'm going to end up doing here, I'm kind of done for the night, but I'm going to clean this up probably tomorrow, and then we're going to do some JB weld on the inside and put some aluminum tape to hold the JB weld in place, flip it over, and then we're going to go ahead and put some JB weld on the outside, almost like if it was filler, because if any of you guys has ever worked with JB weld, you can sand it. So essentially what I'm trying to create is a little layer of JB weld over the plastic to reinforce it. So not only is it stitched, it's going to be reinforced, and then we're going to sand it, and then we're going to put a little skim coat of body filler on it, and she's going to be good after a little primer. And man, I don't know how close that blue is going to be. It looks pretty close. I'm curious to see what it's going to look like, but we just, we're going to get away with just kind of painting this corner of the bumper. So if it doesn't exactly match, I don't care. It's not just going to be kind of haggard. And I do have the cover, which I'm going to glue on as well. We're not worried about the windshield washer nozzles. I'll plug that off. I'm not worried about the fog lights either. Those will just come off, and I'll put like some queerish little stainless steel mesh. But yeah, this is, the meat and potatoes of it until we get to the JB weld part, which will be fun. I've done repairs like this in the past, and I'm talking like almost 2 decades ago when I was very, very green. But it all comes back to me, and I figured this would be kind of a fun repair to do. We got brakes to do on the car, and oil change and spark plugs, and we should be on the road. So we'll let you guys go. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Follow along for the next installment, which will be probably tomorrow, putting on the JB weld. So share, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram as Copper Colors. We'll see you around.